everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some chicken lo mein, and it is packed with so many amazing flavors. If you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, I have a second channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time. So if you can go over and subscribe and support it, I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off with 2 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, and you know what I do? I'm going to go over to the sink and make sure that they're nice and clean, and then I'm going to come over, grab a knife, and then slice it and then cut it into chunks. Now once my chicken is done, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And of course some sea salt and some black pepper. And now I'm going to grab a spatula and I'm going to mix everything together because you want to make sure that all the chicken is coated really well. And then I'm going to set it to the side for about 10 minutes. And while the chicken is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to chop up 3 garlic cloves. And now I'm going to take half of a cabbage, and you can see that I'm going to take the core out first and just take my knife and just start cutting slices. And I'm going to take 1 red bell pepper, and you can use whatever bell peppers that you like. Red peppers are my favorite. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and slice it up with my knife. So I'm done cutting up all of my vegetables, so let's head on over to the stove because over medium-high heat, I'm going to warm up a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and now I'm going to add my chicken. And you want to cook and brown your chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. So once my chicken is done cooking, I'm going to remove it from the skillet. I'm going to warm up some more vegetable oil, and now I'm going to saute the sliced onions. Now it's time to add the rest of the vegetables, including the chopped garlic, the red bell peppers, as well as the cabbage, and you want to continue to saute the vegetables until everything is soft, and it's going to take around maybe 10 minutes. And while the vegetables are cooking down, these are the lo mein noodles that I'm going to use, and I'm already boiling some water, so I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles to the water, and you just have to follow the directions on the package. The noodles are going to take around 5 to 6 minutes to cook. You're going to drain them and then rinse them over cold water. So I've already sauteed all the vegetables, and now I'm ready to add back in the chicken that I cooked earlier, as well as the cooked lo mein noodles. Now it's time to add all the flavor, like 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, but if you have fresh ginger, go ahead and add a tablespoon of fresh ginger. And then continue to mix all those amazing ingredients together. And at the very end, I went ahead and I chopped up some green onions. I'm going to add that as well as some sesame seeds. And you can also taste test just to make sure that everything is perfect. And if that's the case, then you're all done. So this lo mein dish is packed with so many flavors that I really love, like the soy sauce and the oyster sauce and the sesame seed oil. You guys, you really have to give this recipe a try. It is so good and so easy to make. But we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to follow my new channel, April Time, here on YouTube. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Alright you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.